Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
I just finished cutting and buffing. Now I gotta install all the trim back on around the glass, the door glass, the roof track. Just brought these on the inside. They've been sitting outside since I painted the car. I gotta clean them up though. Got a little dust on them. I got some door weather stripping. I also got this weather stripping going this channel here. But I'm gonna gather up everything, then I'll start putting everything back together. I'm gonna have to put this piece here, the window sweep on first, the outer window sweep, before I put the glass on. Because if I put the glass on first, I can't get to the screws. I got those over here. That's these. This is where I put this window sweep on. Should have got more rubber, because this rubber here done had it. He replacing all the weather stripping except this here, but guess he'll be alright. But it goes right here, top of the door. Now we got the handle and the lock. I'm gonna put these pieces here on. Sometimes it take me a while, sometimes it don't. It's 10mm nut on the back. Now I'm about to put the roof rail track on. It's the track with the weather stripping go in. Goes here. I done finished up putting all the trim on here. Now I gotta put this weather stripping in here. It's the part number there. Here's the molding. Now I think all I gotta do on this door here is put the glass in and the door panel. Let me put this glass in right quick. On installing this molding, what you do, you got this front part here, you just tuck it up under the lip on the front. Once you get it up under the lip on the front, the back, you get your pry tool like this here and just pushed in like that, all the way around. Think I got a little bit more up here to do. Then on the ends, they got two little push plastic pins you put in it. But I like to put some black super weather stripping and gasket adhesive. I like to put a little bit before I put them pins in at the bottom of it. On this end, also this end over here. There's some weather stripping for both doors. Part number. Glass installed. Also did the door molding. When you putting that fresh molding on, it take a while for the molding to form in place. So you're gonna have to slam your door for a while until some heat get on it. I also got this side here done as well. Now I guess I'll put this antenna on here. Got the antenna in the base. Here's the base and the antenna here. Antenna installed. Now I work my way back here and install this piece here. No, I think I'll wait on that piece. I'm gonna put the trim on the glass first. I guess I installed that. I'm gonna make sure I got all my clips on the back glass. I had to order some. I think I gotta put one here and one there. I'll be good. But I got some new clips up here. Let me put those in, then I install the back glass trim. There's the trim around the back glass. You want to be careful not to scratch up the fresh paint, so that's one thing to look out for. Now I put this piece here on because I don't want to put that piece on and try to slide the trim down because it go beneath that piece there a little bit, as you can tell. And that should pretty much seal this part back here up. Got that installed. This gap over here, I need to close that gap on that side a little bit more. Now, we got the tail lights here. Also this tag piece. This piece here go right there. Guess we'll do that for the time being. Tail lights installed. We almost got it. Got this front windshield trim. Also this cowl piece here. Look like it needs some windshield wipers also. And I got those pieces up here. These, I think this should be the last piece. The emblem goes here. let's get that started. I still gotta replace some of the clips as well. Got that taken care of. Now, I think I just got this last piece to put on now. This emblem. Okay, I think I got everything put back on. Only thing left is now cleaning it up and turning it over back over to the owner. Once I clean it up, I'm gonna get you another video of it cleaned up so I can show you how it look outside, because you can't really get no full picture right now in this small shop here.